Hi everyone, are you looking for a good budget drone from AliExpress? Then you have come to the right place. Here you will find a budget drone of desired features as per your requirement. I have selected the top 5 best AliExpress 4K GPS drones for their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links to the drones are in the description, below the video. Subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's get started. In at number 5, the drone is Lism S137 GPS drone. The JJRC quadcopter builds in a 7.6 volt, 3000 mAh lithium battery, about 2000 meters remote control distance, about 35 minutes lifetime, about 360 minutes battery charging time, which can provide low latency, stunning 6K HD resolution, 5G Wi-Fi, and strong wind resistance, thus having stability and racing performance. A good balance has been achieved. Tracking flight, gesture control, point of interest flight and triple positioning system make it an ideal drone for an unforgettable FPV flight experience. It has a 6 Kelvin's dual camera that can switch to shoot vertical shooting, 170-degree wide angle, 70-degree remote control escape camera, signal 5.8G anti-interference, high-definition 5G Wi-Fi FPV image transmission. It is equipped with 4 PCS 1806 brushless motor, 7 levels super wind resistance, high speed, low noise. It is so quiet but very powerful at runtime. Failures rarely occur, and the motor rarely needs to be replaced, which makes your flight more enjoyable. GPS returns to the takeoff point with one button, low power return, no signal return. When the drone exceeds the control distance, it will automatically return with optical flow. Click the GPS signal icon 3 times to open the map interface. The map displays the distance, latitude, and longitude of the aircraft. In GPS mode, open the real-time map on the app and draw a flight point on the map. The drone will automatically fly according to the flight point. And at number 4, the best drone is FX-9P GPS drone. The headline sounds pretty good, but it is not exactly true. Even if at first look, this drone equipped with a 4K or 6K camera and up to 33 minutes battery flight time seems to be a great Mavic Mini alternative. It is far behind DJI's smallest foldable drone. Adopting a direct Wi-Fi connection, it has only a quarter of its rival's FPV range. Also, even if it claims to have a 4K or 6K camera without a 3-axis gimbal stabilization, your footage will be very shaky. It has a sophisticated flight system and is equipped with 4 Kelvins and 6K different categories HD cameras. Make the control easy to use. Aerial photography is handy. These drones allow you to record in HD and record your every time with different angles. Wonderful moments. Let you stay focused and keep good memories. This drone has a real-time HD image transmission system. Connect to the aircraft Wi-Fi. You can achieve full control of flight and photography. By flight, the process can watch the high-definition images of the aerial photography of the aircraft, and also facilitate your access to the surrounding environment. Line monitoring. The picture back is clear and true. This drone built-in powerful battery of 7.4 volt, 1300 mAh for 4K, and 7.4 volt, 2400 mAh for 6K. The battery is more convenient to replace. The high energy density of lithium batteries effectively increases power consumption. Powerful, with up to 33 minutes of flight time. This drone has a gesture photo and video option. During the flight, aim at the camera of the aircraft and make the corresponding gesture. The aircraft will be self-propelled. Dynamic recognition and intelligent response. Support for identifying photos or videos. This drone has a trajectory flight device. You could certainly draw a route at the show and the quadcopter will fly in that route as you draw. This selection makes it highly smooth for novices to begin flying, and fun for professional drone customers as well. In at number 3, the best drone is Hubsan H117 S Zino, 4K drone. This RC drone comes with a camera quality unheard of in any other mini drone. Its 4 Kelvin's Ultra HD camera provides a resolution of 3840 by 2160 and a frame rate of 30 FPS. The Ambarella Sports Image Processor makes this quadcopter ideal for outdoor sports photography and videography. Unlike any other cheap drone with a camera, this drone is not limited to just standard wide angles. It has a panorama feature that will let you click landscapes beyond the wide angles frame. You only need to click a single button to take a 360-degree shot with this RC quadcopter. These quadcopter drones provide you with an amazing flight range of 2.5 kilometers, which expands a lot of possibilities. You can record videos of far-off places while being in a safe location yourself. It is a professional drone with a 3-axis gimbal that enhances the stability of the camera. This 3-axis drone has an f2.2 aperture and 89-degree wide-angle lens. That lets you capture highly impressive videos and images. This feature makes using the Hubsan 4K HD camera drone extremely simple. With one single click, you can get started with its classy panoramic mode, line fly mode, and videography of ultra-professional quality. The RC drone with camera is also GPS enabled, and with its waypoint circumnavigation feature, you can precisely determine and set where your drone should go, make it orbit around a single object or let it follow you. This quadcopter will obey all your commands. And at number 2, the drone is JJRC X12 GPS drone. X12 brushless drone with 3-axis stabilized gimbal is a foldable RC quadcopter, which is easy for carrying. It is equipped with an optical flow module, GPS module positioning, ultrasonic positioning system, which makes it a super stable drone. You can shoot 4K HD photos or 1080 pixel videos. Take pictures while flying, get unusual works with different perspectives and compositions. Adjust the camera pitch angle to 90 degrees at any time, through the remote control or app for better composition. Focus faster and more accurately. Record the moment of excitement. The X12 is powered by an 11.4-volt, 2400 mAh LiPo battery, which fits in underneath the drone. It's a 3-cell modular battery that allows the drone to fly for around 20 to 25 minutes depending on weather conditions and the use of FPV features. One-button takeoff or landing and return, making flight no longer difficult. Right and left hand switching, gravity sensing, low power return, lost connection. Various safe flight protection modes such as return flight to ensure flight safety. It has a variety of control modes such as fixed height, fixed point, follow-up, point surrounding, trajectory, and other intelligent flight modes to meet the needs of different scenarios. And at number 1, the drone is FImI A3 camera drone. The new FImI A3 drone comes equipped with GPS GLONASS and the 3rd generation flight control with the Cortex M7 chip, which offers a flight with greater control of your movements. A unique experience, thanks to its gimbal or stabilization and GPS-assisted flight for a precise position and FPV control at a distance of up to 1,000 meters. It includes a 4.3-inch LCD display controller and 5.8G connection. So you can follow your journey in person, both to enjoy the images in real time and to see what you are recording. Thanks to the included display, there is no need to install any app or sync with any device. Turn it on and start flying. With easy operation from its very intuitive control. One of the great features of this drone is its incredible flight duration. With a battery of 2000 mAh, FImI A3 is able to fly up to 25 minutes. Forget about flights of less than 10 minutes. That doesn't give you time to either take control or start enjoying them. You can easily charge it by plugging it into its USB port and start over. A3 comes equipped with a 3-axis mechanical stabilizer to give you a stable flight, without vibrations or tremors. Which gives your recordings the quality of big blockbusters. It is able to record in 1080 pixel quality with a wide angle that gives you a wider view without distorting the image. Its functions include tracking, turning, headless mode, and the return home button. All of these features make the user experience easier to further improve the way you use it. Use tracking for tracking plans or return home mode, so you don't lose it when the battery is running low. I hope you enjoy this video. I request you please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.